Hi everyone, I would like to welcome all of you to today's class. So last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ four numericals complete ಆಗಿತ್ತು. This is fifth numerical. So this is electric charge, electric field numerical part 2. So this is very important for 5 mark. Numerical correct ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 point charges, 2 point charges. Plus 4 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb and plus 2 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb are placed at the vertices A and B, vertices A and B of a right angled triangle ABC, ABC respectively. So B is the right angle, AB value is given, that is root 3 into 10 power minus 2 meter, and AC value is given, that is 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter, and BC value is also given, that is 1 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant electric intensity at C. Okay, so what is given? So one side on the meter per comedy. So AB value, okay, so that is root 3 into 10 power minus 2 meter. AC value is given, that is 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter, and BC value 1 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay. A charge 4 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb placed at point A, 2 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb that is placed at the point B. Okay, we have to find out the magnitude and direction of resultant electric intensity at point C. Okay. So first let us consider a right angle triangle, that is ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. So what amount of charge placed at point A? What amount of charge is placed at point A? That is plus 4 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. What amount of charge is placed at the point B? That is plus 2 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. So we have to find out the magnitude and direction of resultant electric intensity at the point C, right? So what is given ಅದನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ so problem solve ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So first ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು electric intensity at point C due to the charge plus 4 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Okay, so how many electric fields, electric intensities are there at point C? Point C hatra ಎಷ್ಟು electric fields ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? Two electric fields ಇರುತ್ತೆ. One is due to plus 4 into 10 power minus 6, and another one is due to plus 2 into 10 power minus 6. So unit positive test charge plus Q naught, right? Due to plus 4 into 10 power minus 6, plus Q naught will experiences the repulsive force. So what is this? This is actually EA vector. This one is EA vector. And electric intensity at point C due to plus 2 into 10 power minus 6, that is along BC. This is along BC direction. What is this? This is EB vector. Okay. So what is the resultant of EA vector, and EC vector, that is lies along the diagonal of this parallelogram. Okay, so this is the direction of resultant electric intensity. So let us consider EB vector ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ P vector ಅಂತ choose ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, EA vector ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ Q vector ಅಂತ choose ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So alpha ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is angle made by direction of resultant electric intensity with EB vector. Okay, so now let us consider this angle as theta. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು theta ಕೂಡ find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is given here in this problem? AB is given. AB is root 3 into 10 power minus 2 meter, and AC is 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter, and BC is 1 into 10 power minus 2 meter. This is 1 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay. So first step coming, electric intensity at point C due to plus 4 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb at A. Adana calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So that is the magnitude find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. EA. So the formula in electric intensity at a point due to point charge, E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. That is the formula. So by using the formula, E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. E now find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 into 10 power 9. So what is the value of charge here? Q value 4 into 10 power minus 6 divided by distance from point C, observation point, to point charge, that is at A. So AC distance ಏನಿದೆ, that is 2 into 10 power minus 2. ಅದನ್ನ square ಮಾಡಿ 2 into 10 power minus 2 square ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4 into 10 power minus 2 square minus 4. 2 square is 4, 10 power minus 2 square is 10 power minus 4. So 4 cancels, so remaining ನಮಗೆ ಬರೋದು 9 into 10 power, ಇದನ್ನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 10 power plus 4, 10 power plus 9, 10 power 13 minus 6, 13 minus 6, minus 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, 7 Newton per. So 9 into 10 power 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So powers correct ಆಗಿ simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So 10 power plus 9, 10 power minus 6, 10 power plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 10 power minus 4 ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 power plus 4. So 10 power plus 3, 10 power plus 4, 10 power 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So the direction that is along AC direction. Okay, because plus Q naught will experiences repulsive force due to plus 4 into 10 power minus 6. So ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು electric intensity at the same point C, but due to the next charge, that is plus 2 into 10 power minus 6. ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So ಒಂದು electric intensity find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, so ಇನ್ನೊಂದು presence of other charge ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ignore ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That is actually the principle of superposition. So electric intensity at point C due to the charge located at B, that is EB. EB is equal to again 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 9 into 10 power 9. So what is the value of charge? 2 into 10 power minus 6. 2 into 10 power minus 6 divided by what is the distance from B to C? That is 1 into 10 power minus 2 square ಮಾಡಿ. So 1 into 10 power minus 4. 9 2s are 18 into 10 power plus 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, that is 7 Newton per coulomb. So after that, the magnitude of the resultant electric intensity. Magnitude of the resultant electric intensity where at point C. So the formula is magnitude of resultant electric intensity formula. the magnitude of resultant electric intensity formula. What is that? That is E is equal to root. E is equal to root A square plus EB square plus 2 EA EB cos theta. So now what is the angle in between EA vector EB vector? ಅದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ angle theta ಅಂತ choose ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So ಇದು angle theta ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ angle theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because these two are vertical opposite angles. These two are vertical opposite angles. Now in the triangle ABC, the triangle ABC triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ so ನಾವು sin theta calculate ಮಾಡಿ sin theta ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ perpendicular divided by hypotenuse root 3 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 2 into 10 power minus 2 10 power minus 2 cancel ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ sin theta is equal to root 3 divided by 2 so theta is equal to what is the value 60 degree so ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ cos 60 ಸರಿನಾ right so E is equal to root ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ EA square actually 9 into 10 power 7 whole square EB square 18 into 10 power 7 whole square so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into 9 into 10 power 7 into 18 into 10 power 7 again 10 power 7 whole square ಬರುತ್ತೆ so 10 power 7 whole square ಏನಿದೆ that is actually take it as common and take it as outside the root 10 power 7 whole square take it as common and take it as outside the root it will become 10 power 7 correct right so ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ 9 square what is the value of 9 square 81 9 square ಮಾಡಿ 9 square ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 81 so ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 18 square ಮಾಡಿ 18 into 18 that is 324 right plus 2 into 9 into 18 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು so 2 into 9 into 18 in the 324 what is the value of cos 60 cos 60 value in baratte that is 1 by 2 correct cos 60 degree is actually 1 by 2 ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ 2 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ cos 60 is 1 by 2 2 to cancel so 18 into 9 that is 162 so ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ so 162 plus 324 plus 81 okay so ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ root 567 23.81 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 23.81 actually this is 10 power 7 root 567 567 root apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 23.81 into 10 power 7 Newton per coulomb. So that is the value of the magnitude 23.81 into 10 power 7 Newton per coulomb. That is the magnitude of resultant electric intensity at point C. But ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು tan alpha so let us consider here alpha right alpha be the angle made by direction of angle made by direction of resultant electric intensity with EB vector or with that is BC with EB vector ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ alpha with the angle made by direction of resultant electric intensity with EB vector so EA vector find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ so ನಾವು 60 degree minus alpha ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ One find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. So what is the meaning of alpha? Angle made by direction of resultant electric intensity with EB vector. So ಅದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ what is the formula? Tan alpha is equal to Q sin theta divided by P plus Q cos theta. So alpha is equal to tan inverse of. What is the value of Q? Q under EA. EA value ಏನಿದೆ 9. 9 into 10 power 7. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin theta. Theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60. Sin 60 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? root 3 by 2. What is the value of sin 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 divided by 2. Whole divided by. So P value on EB. EB value ಏನಿದೆ? It is 18 into 10 power 7. 18 into 10 power 7 plus Q value again 9 into 10 power 7 into cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sarena? So tan inverse of 9 root 3 divided by 2 into 10 power 7. Okay, whole divided by. So 10 power 7 common ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಿ. 10 power 7 is common. 9 by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4.5. 4.5 plus 18. 4.5 plus 18 ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? What is the value of 4.5 plus 18? 22.5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 22.5 ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು 9 by 2 4.5 into root 3 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 4.5 into root 3. So actually root 3 value first calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೋದು better. Root 3 1.732 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದು 1.732 1.732 into 1.732 into 4.5. So 7 point ಇದು complete simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so 7.794 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 7.794. 7.794. So divided by 22.5. 22.5. So 0. So tan inverse of 10 power 7 cancel agbidutte. 0. Tan inverse of 0.3464. So ivaga natural tangents open ಮಾಡಿ. Clark's table ತಗೊಂಡು. Okay. So the natural tangents open ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Natural tangents ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 0.3467. 0.3464. 0.3467. 0.3464. Okay. First one. 0.3464. 0.3464. ನೋಡಿ 90 degree under 6 minutes 0.3463 approximately same, no problem. So what is the value of alpha? Alpha value is 19 degree under 6 minutes. 19 degree 6 minutes. So this is the value of alpha. So angle made by direction of resultant electric intensity with EB vector is 19 degree 6 minutes. Okay. So this is actually fifth numeric.